The grammar covered are शब्दार्थ, उपसर्ग, प्रत्यय, शब्दभेद, वचन, समास.
Okay. As today's demo, so I'll start with Sangya. Then when we'll start with the classes, then we'll do the whole grammar portion which is there in your syllabus. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we are going to do Sangya. What are we going to do?
Sangya.
Yes. Sangya, you know what is Sangya?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Sangya is a noun. What is it?
Noun.
Is a noun. Okay, Sangya एक ऐसा शब्द है जो किसी व्यक्ति, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय व्यक्ति?
Person.
या ओके, संज्ञा एक ऐसा शब्द है जो किसी व्यक्ति, स्थान, वस्तु या भाव को बताता है. ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
दैट मीन्स नाउन इज अ वर्ड दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स अ पर्सन, अ प्लेस, थिंग और आइडिया. ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
संज्ञा शब्द का उपयोग, उपयोग मीन्स
Use.
वेरी गुड, हम किसी व्यक्ति, स्थान, वस्तु या विचार को पहचानने के लिए करते हैं. दैट मीन्स इट इज यूज टू आइडेंटिफाई इंडिविजुअल्स, लोकेशंस, ऑब्जेक्ट्स और कंसेप्ट्स. अंडरस्टूड?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
डाउट शोभित?
No, ma'am.
ओके. पहचान, कैन यू रीड इट लाउड? व्हाट एम आई राइटिंग?
पहचान के
नो नो नो,
लिए.
स्टार्ट फ्रॉम संज्ञा.
Okay, ma'am. संज्ञा nouns. संज्ञा एक ऐसा शब्द है जो किसी व्यक्ति
किसी व्यक्ति, स्थान, शोभित, आर यू देयर? कैन यू हेयर मी? Shobit, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
read it loud.
Yes, ma'am. संज्ञा एक ऐसा शब्द है जो किसी व्यक्ति
स्थान,
स्थान,
वस्तु
वस्तु या भाव को बताता है.
yes,
संज्ञा शब्द का उपयोग हम
yes,
किसी
व्यक्ति, वस्तु
वस्तु
वस्तु या विचार
या विचार या को पहचाने के लिए करते हैं.
Okay, so you're having problem in reading, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you understood what is Sangya?
Yes, ma'am.
So Sangya is representing you, your person, place, thing,
Okay, ma'am.
and anything, okay, or idea. Okay, there are many type of nouns. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so next is Sangya के भेद. That means types of
Nouns.
yeah. Do you know type of nouns?
No, ma'am.
Okay, the first one is व्यक्ति वाचक संज्ञा. What is it?
व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा.
That means it is a,
Proper noun.
yeah, proper noun. So you might be knowing what is proper noun. Do you know what is proper noun?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so what is proper noun? I just tell you. First I'll write in Hindi, then I'll explain you in English. Okay? यह
Okay, ma'am.
किसी विशेष व्यक्ति या स्थान का नाम. Please read it loud. का नाम
ये
बताते
है
हैं.
किसी व्यक्ति.
विशेष
ये
विशेष.
किसी व्यक्ति.
नो नो, रीड
ये
विशेष
किसी
also.
विशेष. ये किसी व्यक्ति विशेष व्यक्ति या
यस.
स्थान का
नाम
यह स्थान का नाम बताता है.
That means example is like Ram, Delhi, Bharat. Okay. So what does it mean?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
means this denotes what
Place.
it denotes, not a place. This denotes a specific name. व्यक्तिवाचक means विशेष and विशेष means specific. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Specific name of a person or place. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is व्यक्तिवाचक? व्यक्तिवाचक यह किसी
It
विशेष
denotes.
व्यक्ति या स्थान का नाम बताता है. Okay? If it is telling, if it is
Yes, ma'am.
denoting a specific name of person, if it is written girl, it's not a proper noun. वो व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा नहीं है. It is not proper noun. Okay? And if it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
written, the name of the person is written, if a name of a place is written, if a name of animal is written, then it is a व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा.
Okay, ma'am.
So विशेष, here the meaning of the विशेष is specific. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
When you are given a specific name, then you will always mention it as a व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. In English grammar, it is termed as proper noun.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear? So can you
Yes,
please
ma'am.
explain me? What did I just say?
Ma'am, it is a proper noun.
Hmm. I want the
Like
definition. I want the meaning of proper noun. What did I explain you just now?
यह किसी विशेष व्यक्ति य- या स्थान का नाम बताता है.
Okay. What does it mean?
It denotes a specific name of a person or place.
Okay. Now the second type is जातिवाचक. What is it?
जातिवाचक.
जातिवाचक संज्ञा. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That is common noun. What is it?
Common noun.
Yeah. So what does common noun means? You might have done in English grammar, right?
Yes, ma'am. I did it last year.
Okay. So in Hindi it is like यह किसी वर्ग या समूह का नाम बताता है.
Okay, ma'am.
For example, लड़का, शहर, पेड़. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What does it mean? It means that this denotes, what does it denote? It denotes the name of a
Okay,
class or a
ma'am.
group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Like Now I'll tell you what is the difference between proper noun
Yes, ma'am.
and common noun. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I've, I've written girl over here. Girl is a proper noun, and the name of the girl is
Proper
Shobit,
noun.
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Proper
Yes.
noun.
Okay. So I'm writing city over here and Delhi over here. So the name of the city, that is proper, name of the girl is proper. So when there is no name mentioned, then it is common noun, that is jativachak noun. And when it is there is a specific name, when there is a vishesh name, then it is a proper noun.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Now can you please tell me the difference between both of the sangya?
Yes, ma'am.
Please explain.
यह
No,
proper
I
noun.
want the explanation. Yeah, I want the explanation in your
Okay.
words. I don't want the book reading.
Ma'am, should I speak in Hindi or in English?
Yeah, you can speak in any language, in Hindi or English.
Okay, ma'am. Like proper noun is something where they give you a specific town name.
Yeah,
Like it,
do not
like it's
mention as you are reading
yes, ma'am.
Hindi. So we'll mention Vyaktivachak Sangya. What is Vyaktivachak Sangya? Vyaktivachak Sangya is where you get a specific name of the
Name.
place, person, or animal, whatever. Okay, like okay, tell me.
Okay.
Book is book is Vyaktivachak or Jativachak?
जातिवाचक.
Why?
Ma'am, because the subject is not mentioned.
Yeah, the subject is not mentioned. If it is written mathematics
Then it is
or
proper noun.
English, what do you call proper noun in Hindi? Vyakti.
Proper noun.
Vachak.
Vachak.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is clear. So you know the difference
Yes,
between the
ma'am.
Vyakti Vachak and Jati Vachak now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the third one is Bhav Vachak. What is it?
Bhavvachak.
Bhav Vachak Sangya. Bhav Vachak means abstract noun.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
it?
Abstract noun.
Abstract noun. यह किसी भावना या गुण को बताता है. Okay. So
Yes,
bhavna
ma'am.
and gun is the main word over here. That means, for example,
Feeling.
प्रेम, खुशी, yeah, feeling, ज्ञान. Okay. So what does
Yes,
this
ma'am.
mean? This denotes that a feeling or a quality.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you understood all the three types.
Yes, ma'am.
All three types you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please, can you identify? Now I'll give you some examples. Ram, school, gaya. Can you identify व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा?
Gaya is a abstract noun.
No, I'm just saying to identify व्यक्तिवाचक.
व्यक्तिवाचक.
Yeah. What is व्यक्तिवाचक in this sentence?
It's. Can you read the second one?
I can't hear you. Your voice is cracking, Shobit.
Okay, ma'am. Can you read me the second option?
Ram school gaya.
Ram school.
I want to
Ram.
know व्यक्तिवाचक. What?
Ma'am, it's Ram. Ram.
Yeah. Ram is व्यक्तिवाचक. Okay.
Yes,
Sita,
ma'am.
Bajar Gari. Bazaar means market. So tell me what is
Yes,
Jativachak
ma'am.
Sangya here? What is
Bazaar.
Jativachak Sangya?
Jativachak Sangya is something.
Okay, tell me this in this
No,
sentence. Which is that?
no, they have not given the name.
Yeah, it's bazaar over here. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
bazaar means market. They have not mentioned the name of the market, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
it is Jati
Bazaar. Vachak.
Vachak Sangya. So Shobit, whenever I teach, you have to pay full attention because I have a habit to ask in between. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Shobit. Next is
Yes,
Bhavvachak.
ma'am.
Next, you have to identify the Bhavvachak Sangya.
Yes,
मुझे
ma'am.
प्रेम बहुत पसंद है.
Ma'am, Prem.
Yes. So these are the three types of Sangya. What is it?
Ma'am, Pasand is also a Bhavvachak.
Yes, it's also Bhavvachak. Okay, so there are three types of Sangya. Can you please name them?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. व्यक्ति.
Vyaktivachak,
Hmm.
Vyaktivachak Sankhya, which is
Yes.
noun, and
Yes.
then and then uh, Admivachak,
Yes. No, no,
which is
Jativachak. What is?
okay, ma'am. Jativachak, which is abstract noun,
Yes.
and
Jativachak
then
and
Bhavvachak.
Jativachak is common noun. Vyaktivachak is proper noun. Abstract
Okay,
noun
ma'am.
is Bhavvachak.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was the demo for Hindi. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.